About the action set. So in order to create the action sets, first of all, I will need to create some visual. So let me take the state over here. Putting the state into the label, sales into the color, and the sales into the label, displaying the sales as quick table calculation and percentage of total. Let me name it as say as 1. And let's create another visual over here where I will like to take the sales on the basis of the segment. Let's make it as an entire view, and along with the sales, oh, sorry, we are talking about the action set. First of all, as we are talking about the action set, so do you remember when we have done the action set on the worksheet action set, what we have done in that? Do you remember that?
Yes, sir.
What was there in that?
So, like in set, we just selected the values, but the values, like the fields are individuals.
No, no. I'm talking about the action set. So in the
Create
action
an
set,
empty
what we
section.
have done, no, what we have done. So as of now, the percentage which you are seeing over here, this percentage is with respect to the overall sales of US.
Yes, sir.
Like California is 19% of the total sales of US. So by using the action set, what we have achieved that if I select any particular area, my percentage will be with respect to the selected area only. Okay, the sales percentage will be with respect to selected area. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Right. So as we are talking about the action set, the first thing which is required is the set. So I can click on this drop down arrow, or I can go to the state, click on the drop down arrow. I can say create and say set. Now I will take all the values into the set. So as of now, the value of the state and the value of the set is same. Why? Because finally I will be assigning the value to the set using the action. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the another step is I need to create a calculated field on the basis of this set. So I can click on this drop down arrow and say create calculated field. And I will say, let me name it as area sales. If state set, then sales, and if state set, then sales, and say okay. Right? So we have created a calculated field. Now use the calculated field within the visual. So I will like to put it into the color and the labels. I'm sorry. I can click on this drop down arrow, quick table calculation and percentage of total. As of now, both the values are same because the value of the state and the area sales is also, and the state set is also same. Let me just specify that this is the sales, this is the area sales. Say apply, and here it is. And I don't want this, so I'm removing it from here. Now the other one, here we have created a segment-wise bifurcation of the sales, and along with the sales, I will also like to take the area sales as the combined chart. So you can see you are getting the two bars for the sales and the area sales. Let me display the label, and I will like to put the measure names into the color so that the sales and the area sales are displayed in a different color. And let me change the colors over here. Let me make the sales as here it goes. Sales and the area sales. And I will like to do some quick formatting onto it. and I'm displaying it in thousands so that it becomes more easily understandable. Let me remove the here it goes. Fails and the area save. And I don't want this card, so I'm removing this. Let's give it a name, something S2. Let's take one more visual over here, where I will like to take the sales on the basis of the subcategory. Let's make it as an entire view. And let me take the sales and take it as, sorry, we are taking the sales. So let me take the area sales and put it as the combined chart. And I will like to create a bar and bar chart. So for which I can take the measure names and put it into the color. I'm getting a stacked bar over here. So I can go to the analysis and make the stack bar as off. And I can take the measure names and put it into the size. So randomly I have created these visuals. Okay, let me put the sales into the label and the area sales also into the label. Let me specify that this is the sales and this is the area sales. Apply and OK. Let me make it like this. I think this will look better. Yes. And let me apply the formatting. And I don't want the cards, so I'm removing these cards. Here it goes. Now, let me create a dashboard. Let's create a dashboard. The first thing which we do in a dashboard is
Automatic.
automatic. Making the size as automatic. I will like to display the dashboard title. Let me take the 1, 2, and 3 over here. This is what we have taken. Let me try to put it at the bottom like this. I don't want the individual titles.